Hello everyone and welcome to another Yeti Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing, yes, and I'm not going to mess about, I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to talk while I'm undoing it. So it's a, sorry about if I'm in your way, it's a blue Yeti, it's that thing there, it's a blue microphone. It's actually called a blue Yeti, but it's a midnight blue, that's the colour there. And I got it for just under £80, it's been £120 for a while. And I wait for the sales, or actually just before Christmas, it's come down in price, and I wanted to get it because on my Still series, although they're very good quality sound, the microphone on it I'm not happy with. I don't like the sound out of the microphone, so I want to swap it over to a blue Yeti and hopefully give a better sound. My voice doesn't come out very good on there. I know I don't have a very good voice anyway, but you know, that's the way it is. I bought some extra bits to go with it. Oh, I like them things, they're good. So here's the Yeti. It's quite heavy, I'll tell you that. So I'm going to quickly show you around the box. All the way around. Let's get you in focus. How's that? Yeah. Well, it's got a picture of Yetis on it. Look at that. So what does it say? Legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. Oh, got a bit of humour on there. Look, you want to pause? So yeah, this has I think it's got 3 microphones built into it, and they do different features. Let me see if I can remember exactly what they do, or what they're actually called. Actually, I'm trying to think. First one, which is your directional one, which is you standing in front of it, is called a cardinal or something like that. Cardian, and then you have a bidirectional, omnidirectional and stereo. I'm not sure what they all mean, but I'm sure we're going to find that together. I did watch quite a few videos. See what else is in the box. Oh yes, apparently one of the things you need is one of these, a pop shield. So I bought this as well. Pop screen for broadcasting and recording microphone. Also it's handy for if you spit a lot when you're talking. It stops your spit going onto your microphone, which can be quite acidy. So that's something to bear in mind. But also, I bought a cover for the mic as well. So I had the option because I wasn't sure which one I was going to use, and there's only a few quid each. So I thought I'll get both. So this will sit over the top of the mic, over the top piece there, if I need it to do that. So at the moment I don't, and I'm going to try this first because I like the way it looks. It looks very professional. Also, I bought this. It's a RØDE microphone lever, so I'm either going to put it here, so it's leaning over there, or put it on that side and coming over this way. At the moment I'm thinking about putting it on this side, this big arm, which it does say can hold the Yeti, so make sure if you decide you want to buy something like this, you get one that can actually hold this up, because this is a heavy unit, and if the arms are not of a good quality, it will not hold the weight. It has to be quite a strong one. I think it's quite a few pounds at the Yeti. That's something to bear in mind if you decide you want to go down this road. So I'll get them out and throw this box out of the way. Meow. And we'll have a quick look. I'll do the little box first. Move my knife that way because I don't want to cut this out. So I'll do the easy ones first. So it's a bit of full kit. So yeah, it's just a little foam cover, like a wind protector, but basically stop you spitting on it. And when you say your P's and your B's, they can be quite harsh, and then the mic picks it up. So this dampens the sound. That's the idea behind these. And that's the same with this little thing here, this pop shield. It does exactly the same as what that does. So I'm going to have a look, because I've never used anything like this. I've just watched a lot of videos and tried studying and get a good understanding what I really need. So I definitely wanted to get this, which will clamp to the actual arm thing that I'm going to be using. Yeah, so P's and B's. It's supposed to reduce that and obviously stop you spitting. Feels like a nice bit of quality actually. It looks very professional. The wife's going to say, what's that for? Because she ain't going to have a clue. And we're going to get the Yeti out. And I'm hoping to use this, this is purely mainly for live streaming, because I want to do a lot more live streaming in the new year. So what we've got, how's it going to come out? And also on my live streaming, if you want to watch me on my live stream, I'm experimenting with 2 cameras, the webcam and the video cam, and running them both at the same time to do my live streaming with. I'll need a knife. So that's the plan. I've actually had a go already. Not with this, because obviously I haven't took it out of the box yet, but with the cameras, and it works very well. So top of the box, you get some USB cable, and it looks like it's quite a long cable actually, which would be nice. I'll quickly get it out and show you. Yeah, I reckon there's a few meters in there. So it feels like a good quality cabling. It's only USB 2. See that? Got USB 2 cables, so it doesn't need a lot of power by the looks of it. What else? You've got ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. So, oh, like a little book. Yeah, see that? Congratulations on your purchase of the Yeti, most advanced and versatile multi-pattern USB microphone roaming the world today. Well, okay. So just giving you a load of information and also setting it up. So I will be doing the setup as well, but I'll read that later. Right, so what's this? Stand up. So, how do I get this out? Oh, looks like nice, quite nicely done on the packaging. It's had a bit of thought done to it, which is always nice. So, oh, there's one bit. I see. Oh, I've got them little keep it fresh sort of things, you know. So yeah, so that's the way you store it, upside down basically when you're not using it. Right. Oh, so that comes off. See, even I don't know how it works. And we've got to get this thing out. How do we get this out? Is it just a tight fit? I think it is. There you go. So, yeah, definitely heavy. It's got a nice bottom to it though, nice feel. Probably won't be using the stand because I'll be using that arm, but yeah, you can have it on the stand like this, and you basically turn it over. Oops, hang on. Loosen it off a little bit. Turn it over, and then what have you got on here? You've got your 4 different settings. There's 4 settings, lots trying to explain to you earlier. I think we want it either on the 1st or the 2nd, I can't remember now, but I'll have a read for general chit chat. So when I'm live streaming, I'll talk like that. I think you have it about, you know, so far away, about that sort of distance, if that's any help to anyone. Obviously you don't want to spit over it. And then you've got a left and a right microphone there, and it also, they can all work together to pick up a better sound. So you can do like surround sound and all that stuff. So if you've got a load of people with you, or you're doing a band and they're sitting all around playing the music, it will pick up all the sound. But I'm only interested in producing the best quality I can to give you the best quality possible. Like, that's why I do 4K videos, so that, you know, if you're going to watch something in 4K, like on your new 4K TV, you're going to see me in 4K. You're so lucky. So, oh, right, let's carry on. Oh, that's nice. Says blue on now. I think that looks very nice. It's good quality. Volume control. Yeah, so it's on, on the mute button. So that it'd probably be this side I'll be talking then, now I said that. And I do believe that when it's muted, it flashes, from what I've been watching on the other YouTube channels that have been doing it. So first impressions. Oh, hang on, I'll shut up first. So there's your USB connection, your small one. So one end goes in there, and obviously the other one goes in the computer. And you can plug in a headset. So if you want to listen to if you want to listen to it, you can actually, you'll record, as you're recording, you can actually hear yourself, so that's what that's for. And the screw bit is obviously for mounting on that arm down there that I'm going to be sorting out sooner or later. And there's another bit of device I haven't ordered yet because it's quite expensive. Well, I say quite expensive, but when you think about the amount of money I keep spending at the moment, it's quite expensive. Is a mount that it sits on, so that when I'm banging on the table, it reduces the vibration and the mic doesn't pick it up. That is the idea of that. But I've had to leave it out for now because I'm just spending far too much money. So that's the unboxing of the actual microphone. My first impressions is, yes, I do like the look of it. I like to feel the quality of it. What we'll do now is I'll move all the bits out of the way and I'll get the arm out that I'm going to be using, and then we'll do the unboxing of the arm and then I'll set it up, okay?